Hi and Salam Sejahtera. Our group, which is Group 11 today, will be presenting our group project, which is a universal join. Next is our team member. Ram Surat Kumar, anak lelaki Kumar Manggalam, Muhammad Adli bin Syukri and myself, Dexter Levin Doni. First, let me start about the objective of the project. This project aims to utilize Catia V5 path design functionalities to design and animate a 3D model of a universal joint. You'll break down the joint into individual components, such as shaft, pins, keys, and fork. By animating the assembly process, you'll gain insight into how these parts interact. The ultimate objective is to enhance the universal joint design and performance. To achieve this, you'll construct a detailed 3D model, simulate its movement, and analyze the result in pinpoint areas for improvement. Finally, you will propose modification to elevate the joint's overall capability. Universal joint overview. Definition of universal joint. A universal joint or U-joint is a mechanical device that transfers torque and rotational motion between two misaligned shafts. It used in various applications like steering column and drive shaft in automobile. The U-joint consists of a cross-shaped component like the spider, which connect to the shaft end. This design allows for smooth transmission of rotational motion and torque between the misaligned shaft. Next, important in various applications. The universal joint or U-joint is important in different areas like automotive, industrial machinery, and steering mechanism. It helps transfer power and motion between misaligned shafts, ensuring smooth operation even when angles change or components are not perfectly aligned. The last one is description of the spider component. The spider is a cross-shaped component with 4 limbs, certainly locked in the U-joint assembly. It has bearing cap at the end of each arm that slides into the arm of yokes that connect to the shaft end. The spider allows the angle between the shaft to shift when they are aligned but not in a straight line. It plays like a key role in transmitting torque and rotational motion from one shaft to other, ensuring seamless operation even when the shafts are misaligned. List of components. The first one is we will have the base, and the second one is the shaft. The third one is the fork, and the fourth is center block. The fifth is parallel key, and the sixth is collar, and the seventh is the pin, and the last one is the taper pin. Description of movement for each component. The movement for each component is in a universal joint assembly is crucial for the effective transmission of torque and rotational motion between misaligned shafts. Here are the breakdown of how each component affects the assembly overall motion and functionality. Base. Movement. The base itself does not move. It provides a fixed support framework for the other movable component of the universal joint. Roll. Act as a mounting point and initial element for the fork, center block, and shaft. The shaft. Movement. The shaft spin to transfer torque and rotational motion from one side to assembly to other. Roll. Connect the fork to the center block and facilitates the transfer of rotational motion through the joint. Fork. Center block, parallel key, pin, collar, and taper pin. This component allow angular misalignment, rotational movement, and slight translational movement, enabling versatile and efficient mechanical connection. Catia V5 application. Use of Catia V5 for design and assembly. The universal joint is fully designed and assembled using Catia V5. Using the Catia V5 software, on the part design menu, it enables the production of separate universal joint pieces such as the fork, shaft, parallel key, and pin. Furthermore, it makes using Catia V5 on the assembly design workbench to assemble the universal joint component into a whole system easier. With the help of this program, users may truly comprehend the universal joint assembly and get the confidence to take on challenging design and assembly projects. The platform it offers allows for full 3D modeling, simulation, and kinematic and dynamic analysis. Benefits of Catia simulation and analysis tool. The first one is efficiency improvement. The tools allow for kinematic and dynamic simulation, enabling early testing of the universal joint mechanism. This helps identifying and correcting potential problems before physical manufacturing, thus improving the efficiency of the design process. The second one is optimization. Catia simulation and analysis tool facilitate the testing and optimization of gear design and assembly. This ensures reduced wear and improve operational efficiency of the universal joint assembly. And the last one is documentation support. Complete documentation, including orthogonal drawings and exploded view, is provided. This detailed document is essential for the manufacturing and assembly process, ensuring that the universal joint is constructed and installed correctly.
Greeting everyone. Okay, my name is Muhammad Adli Ben Shukri. So I'm gonna explain to you about orthographic drawing and exploded view. The first thing first, importance of detailed documentation. Detailed documentation is crucial for the design and assembly process, especially for complex components like universal joint. It provides essential guidance for manufacturing and assembly, ensure quality, aids in troubleshooting and maintenance, support knowledge transfer, and helps with regular compliance. Benefit of the exploded view and orthogonal drawing is exploded view and orthogonal drawing are important because they are help with assembly, quality control, troubleshooting, knowledge transfer, and regulation compliance. They show how components fit together, guide manufacturing and assembly, and provide clear representation for maintenance and issue resolution. Okay, this is our orthographic drawing. So first we can see base is a crucial component we need to have in making our product work. So in orthographic drawings, it will show you all the measurement, alternation to make this product. Okay, next we have shaft, orthographic view. We also got fork, pin, center block, orthographic view. So the workers, the engineer can see and make the product precisely and make the product work. Lastly, we have orthographic view for collar, barrel key, and taper pin. Okay, next we have exploded view for our product. Our product is universal joint assembly. So we have our bill of material, BIM of our product. This is our universal joint exploded view. We can see each component need each other to make our product.
Hello, I am Ram from Group 11. I'm going to talk about stimulation and analysis. First, early testing of universal joint mechanism. Early testing of the universal joint mechanism involves using kinetic and dynamic stimulation to identify the correct potential problems we will have in the future before the physical manufacturing. This helps to ensure that design and assembly of the universal joint are optimized of efficiency and performance. The universal joint efficient and performance will be perfect, and it won't be any problem in that. Second, optimization of the gear and design and assembly. Optimization of gear design and assembly involves testing and refining the design to ensure reduced wear. Improve operational efficiency and overall enhance performance of the gear system. This process aims to identify the correct potential leading to an improved and more efficient gear design and assembly. Okay, this is our stimulation video. Our universal joint mechanism moves very smoothly, and then there is no any problem in that. The efficiency and the performance was very good and better. Overall performance wise, and then it moves smoothly, and then design was perfect, and then there is no issue or any problems or defect in this design. And the conclusion is the project objective have been fully achieved. Our design is success, including the precise design, assembly, stimulation, and animation of the 3D model of the universal joint using Catia V5. For future improvement, the focus could be on more design optimization and material analysis to future enhance it. Future enhance the effectiveness and performance of the universal joint and the success completion of the 3D model, assembly, stimulation, and animation demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of Catia capabilities and applications in the universal joint assembly. Thank you very much. That's from me.